What can you do in 17 minutes? Watch a YouTube clip from your favorite creator? Make a quick lunch? How about compressing a spring and reassembling a traditional strut? Well, 17 minutes is how long most labor guides say it takes to compress a spring and reassemble a traditional strut. Sure, you could bill for those 17 minutes, but what if you could use that time to install a more profitable part? One that gets the vehicle out of your bay faster, lowers the chance of a comeback, and gives your customer more value. Let's talk about loaded or complete struts that include the spring, upper mount, and all associated hardware. Loaded struts come pre-assembled with the spring, upper mount, and all the hardware needed for installation. They cost more than a bare strut, but they also offer something most of your customers want: a quicker, cleaner, and more complete repair. The hurdle for most customers will be the price. To overcome this, think about it from a customer's perspective. If they can get back to a like-new ride quality and eliminate future problems with mounts or springs, that added cost starts to make a lot more sense. From a shop's point of view, there's more profit potential in selling a premium part. Skipping the spring compressor process saves time, which means that the bay is open sooner for the next job. Keep in mind though, complete struts aren't perfect for every vehicle. Coverage is still gaining traction and availability can be limited, especially on less common applications. Most manufacturers focus on high volume vehicles or problem platforms where spring failure or ride height issues are common. Loaded struts started out as a DIY solution, but once shops realized how much time and hassle they saved, it quickly became a go-to product for many technicians. Why? When your techs install a new strut but reuse the old mount and spring, you're leaving a lot of potential problems on the table. Upper strut mounts support vehicle weight and manage torque from braking and acceleration. Over time, the rubber and bearings inside wear down, leading to steering issues or suspension noise. Weak springs also affect ride height, camber, caster, and tire wear. A chassis sagging on one side, for example, is a sign of a spring that's lost its strength or is on the verge of failure. If the ride height is off, the best fix is usually a new pair of springs, and loaded struts take care of that problem in one step. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.